Hey guys, today I hope you are having a delightful morning, because I am. I'm stuck in traffic on the interstate and I'm actually going to go get something for the Duramax today. I'm actually headed to Pennsylvania to go get some wheels and tires for it, and I haven't really done like a reveal video of this truck yet, to be honest, for the channel. Like, I'm gonna show what I had on it, which I didn't like because I just got the truck and that's just what it came with, and I was like, whatever, you know, I'll run them for now. Run them until the tread wears off. Lo and behold, these tires, they just don't wear out. I don't know how. They just don't. They're indestructible. I got them if they had quarter tread, and they still have quarter tread, and I have put every bit of 20,000 miles on them. I kind of wish that they weren't as nice of a wheel, because I don't want to necessarily run these wheels in the salt, because they salt up here. I'm actually from West Virginia, if you guys didn't know that. They salt heavily up here, so I'm going to try to do my best to put a lot of wax on them or something, maybe, to keep them clean and keep them from getting corroded and everything, because that's happened a lot to just my dad's wheels and stuff like that. So it's a 2016 Duramax. It's a 2500 LML. Before the shit hit the fan, I got it all deleted and everything. I bought the truck, it only had one tune on it, but it didn't have a lift pump, so I added a lift pump, and I added the 5 tunes from Corey Willis at EFI Live. Go ahead and show you guys the sick badges because it was necessary. I didn't put them on there, it came with it, but I like it. So yeah, these are the wheels I got with the truck. They're just XDs. I'm not a fan, but I gotta say, like I said earlier, these tires, you just can't burn them down.